One of the biggest fears that a gay bottom always has is accidentally sharting on a hot man's rooster. This was an anxiety-inducing fear of mine that I've had forever, and even though I'm basically celibate now, like I'm literally so single, I remember that stress clear as day. For people that don't know, I am a man who is gay and a bottom. And as a gay man, I don't have a coochie that is self-cleaning. When I want to be intimate with somebody that I like, somebody that is cute, I give them my butt. And what comes out of my butt? Shart. And as we all know, shart isn't necessarily clean. And so that's why gay people have to take extra measures to ensure that they are clean and ready for the cock-a-doodle-doo. Where there is a will, there is always a way. So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you what I did to never shart on my ex-friend with benefits, a rooster. I have always been very clean. The drought was the very worst. Before I get started, please like this video and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Please also check out my visual bottoming course and my discreet douche kits at the links below. When it comes to clean bottoming, your diet actually matters a lot. The rule of thumb is if you eat a lot of fiber, like the natural healthy amount, you will be as naturally clean as possible. Fiber is a thing in foods that basically collects your poops better. Fiber allows you to have a more regular poop schedule and also makes your poops a lot more soft and comfortable and healthy. Basically, fiber helps you get rid of more poop when you are sharting on the toilet. It does the opposite of making you feel constipated, which, bottom or not, is amazing. So definitely have lots of fiber in your daily diet. Fiber-rich foods include legumes, fruits, vegetables, and if you don't like having those things in your daily diet, you can always get fiber supplements at the local store. Literally any store has like fiber supplements. They come in powder form, they come in capsules. I know Pure for Men, the brand, has a lot of fiber supplements, as well as Optifiber from Costco and Easy Fiber from CVS. Take your pick. Just look in the digestive health section. Now that fiber is out of the way, let's quickly talk about douching. Douching is what you do when you clean the area above your butthole and under your sigmoid colon. You would typically use an enema bulb and some lukewarm water. If you don't have one of these, check out the links below for my discreet douche kits. The first thing you gotta keep in mind is to always poop before you douche. This is like a no-brainer. You always want to clean out the natural way first. Pooping before you douche just makes the entire experience a lot more comfortable and a lot more easy. When it comes to actually douching, after you poop, get your enema bulb and fill it up with lukewarm water, not too hot and not too cold. Then lube up this tip right here so that it goes in your butt a lot more comfortably and a lot more safely. Put this in your butt, squeeze the bulb to put the water in, poop out the dirty water after about 30 seconds to a minute, and then repeat up to 5 times or until you are clean. It's really important to not put in too much water in your butt, because if water travels past your rectum and hits the sigmoid colon, you risk triggering other poops up there that would not have bothered you in the first place. And then those poops will come down and then you'll end up having to shart out like an avalanche of poops and you'll be stuck cleaning for hours. So don't put in too much water. The douche that I personally offer holds the perfect amount of water to put in your butt for one given round of douching. So you are safe to squeeze this and put the entire thing in your butt. If you are using a traditional enema bulb like this one, don't put in the entire thing in. Don't go past like half of the water in this bulb. And if you are using a 500 milliliter water bottle, don't go past half. A big misconception that I hear online all the time is people go like, oh, you know, if I douche at 6 p.m. and then I eat dinner at like 7 p.m. and then I try to bang at like 9 p.m., I will be dirty and I'll have to like do a full douching routine again because of my dinner. And that is just usually mostly untrue. The food that you eat at 7 p.m. will probably be digested the next day. It won't be digested within the same like 3 hours of literally eating it. What I did personally when I was bottoming all the time was I would douche at like 6 p.m. and then I would drive to my man's place, and it took like an hour, and then we'd have like drinks and dinner from like 8 to 9, and then we wouldn't even start banging until like 11 p.m. and I was always very clean. After you douche fully, you will probably stay clean for the next like 5 hours. I understand sometimes you eat like a really big meal, or like you have milk when you're not supposed to and you end up needing to poop again. Like that does happen sometimes. If that's the case, go ahead and poop. You'll probably need to douche like 1 to 2 times, but usually for me, if I already did like a big douching routine beforehand and I poop again, I usually don't need like a full douching routine. I would just need to go like 1 to 2 times and then I'm back to being clean. For extra reassurance, I usually use a butt plug to test my butt cleanliness. I always used to plug myself before I banged to be loosey-goosey and to not feel pain during the bang. And so after I douche, I would use the plug for about 30 minutes, and if I take out the plug and there are no poop chunks on it, that means I'm clean. And if I do see poop chunks on the plug, or if I see poop smears on the plug, I'll douche like 1 to 2 more times right before the bang. No big deal. So you can also do that for a final test if you'd like. And that's it. That's how you keep your butt clean when you bottom. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really enjoyed making it. If you liked the video that you just watched, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Again, don't forget to check out my full visual bottoming course at the links below, as well as my discreet douche kits. And all of my other stuff is there as well. Thank you guys so much. I love you, and I'll talk to you soon.